Plan your lines ha, plan your lines. Kasi may mga bato. Pero threshold nito. Oh wow.
Doon
Pero
sobrang loose.
how's the track? Fun ba?
Yeah, especially the rollers. That's my favorite part. Rollers. Yeah. Good job, coach.
Yeah. Oh, ito naman. How's having fun? Cool, man.
Definitely.
I see you sending it a little bit eh, kaya kinakabahan kami. Nag-enjoy ng todo eh. Ito parang... Pando, good job! Yung aking partner kahapon, no? Si Pando. Sir Arvin, good job, sir. Mikos! Yeah! Gusto yung track natin, Jeff? Okay naman.
Congrats sa magandang pagkaka-set up ng ating truck.
Pero balita ko, masyado kang nag-enjoy. You're sending it a lot. Tinakabahan kami sa'yo. Eh. Good job, man.
Thank you.